Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
AI tools for developers, GitHub Copilot or Cursor or Codeium. Which AI coding assistant is actually worth it? I spent 30 days coding with the top 3 AI assistants, and the results shocked me. One of them actually made me 3 times faster, while another almost broke my entire project. Let me show you which one you should actually use. Let's start with GitHub Copilot, the OG AI coding assistant. For $10 a month, it offers excellent code completion and understands context from comments, with top-tier integration with VS Code and the ability to learn from your codebase, though it may occasionally suggest outdated practices and slow down with complex logic. Next up is Cursor, the new kid that's got everyone talking. At $20 a month for the Pro plan, it stands out with a built-in chat and the ability to edit multiple files simultaneously, offering an incredible chat interface and a deep understanding of your entire project. Though it has a steeper learning curve and can sometimes over-engineer solutions. Finally, Codeium, the free alternative that might surprise you. Free for individual users, it provides code completion, chat, and support for multiple languages, with the advantages of being completely free, offering decent performance, and prioritizing privacy, though it's less sophisticated than paid options and has a smaller training dataset. Here's where it gets interesting. I built the same to-do app with each tool. Copilot took around 2 hours. It generated clean, readable code, but I had to manually optimize a few areas for performance and clarity. Cursor completed the task in 1.5 hours, offering a fast and feature-rich experience, though some parts felt unnecessarily complex due to over-engineering. Codeium took the longest at 2.5 hours. While it delivered a fully functional app, the output was more basic and required extra input to reach the same polish as the others. So, which should you choose? If you're just starting out or on a budget, go with Codeium. If you want the most reliable experience, use GitHub Copilot. If you're working on complex projects and don't mind paying extra, Cursor is incredible. What's your experience with these tools? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you prefer. What's your experience with these tools? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you prefer.